guys, welcome back to another vlog. It is Saturday today and I haven't talked to you guys in so long. The last time I talked to you I was in New York City, and guess what? I am going back to New York this week. It's kind of stupid, but I'm going back. Me and Michaela are going, and we're also going to go with Michelle too. So we're going for the FabFitFun event in New York, and I cannot wait. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. It does say it's going to snow Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and the event is on Thursday. So fingers crossed that I don't have to drive in the snow, because I am not a good driver in the snow. I hate driving in the snow. But it should be a lot of fun if all goes well, and I can finally wear that white dress too. But it is Saturday. I wanted to show you guys my Boxycharm because I got it later in the month, and this is actually one of my favorite Boxycharms that I got. And there's no wait list right now. So it's $21 a month. You get 4 to 5 full-size products, and I think it's completely worth it. So I wanted to show you guys what I got in my box. So this is the box for the month of March. It's called Vacation. This is the card, really tropical and pretty. And then the first thing I have in here is a Pretty Vulgar blush. This is a hot pink blush, and usually I go for like the peachy blushes, but I put this one on in a first impressions video and I really liked it. It's not too bright, but I really like this color. So I got that first. I also have a Butter London mascara, which I thought Butter London only made nail polish, so I'm excited to try this mascara out. I have so many new mascaras that are just sitting in my drawer. A lot to try out. Then I also have the Vintage Cosmetic Company Smoky Eye Brush Set. The only thing I will say that I don't like is that these are labeled step 1, step 2, step 3 on the actual handle. I don't like that. I feel like they shouldn't have done that for some reason. Like, I just want a plain handle, you know? So I got those. I have South Main 3 eye gel packs, which these are really fun to do. Reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, moisturizes eye area. Can't wait to use these. I think this is a great thing to have in here. And then the last thing I have in here is called the Boxycharm and Pure Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and this is so pretty. So these are the colors in here. I really want to do like a first impressions or a get ready with me using this, because this is a really pretty palette. Love that blue and that hot pink, and even those like coral shades. So pretty. So that's everything I got in my Boxycharm. I'll link it down below for you guys. Like I said, I'm pretty sure there's no wait list right now, so if you wanted to get that, you can get that. And then also I got my wine subscription in the mail. So this, yet again, if you sign up, I have a $20 like voucher, so you can get like 2 bottles of wine for free. But we do this every month because we love wine. I like white wine and Scott likes red wine. So we got the Pacificana. I think we've had that one before. And then we also have this one, which is the Cape Root. I don't think I've had that. And then this one was the expensive one. It's called Restless Earth. This one's gonna be for Scott. So yeah, we got lots of wine, and now we're gonna go to my parents' house and visit them for a bit, and we'll check out the barn too. Woo! Okay, I wanted to show you guys the progress in the barn. So we have stairs to go up. This is the downstairs. So basically there's gonna be like a ping pong table down here, and my dad's like herbs and stuff from the garden. So it's gonna be kind of like, I don't know exactly what it's gonna be, but it's gonna be fun having a ping pong table. And maybe some other things. Let me know if you have any ideas for down here. But we finally got stairs. We were taking a ladder up, and that was really scary. So this is gonna be the apartment area. There's gonna be a door here, and then this is the apartment area. So we've got a big window here, and this is gonna be like the living room area. As you can see, it's just a big open space right now. And then over here in the corner, it's gonna be a bathroom. We have 2 skylights, which is gonna go over the kitchen area. And then the bedroom's gonna be on the right side. And like I said, the living room's gonna be all in the middle. So yeah, this is it. To me, it looks kind of small, because it is, but it is bigger than our current apartment. It's just like a different layout, you know? So pretty big. The ceilings are 10 feet. So that's gonna make it feel a little bit bigger. And yeah, this is what it's looking like. It's super windy here right now. The next step is we're gonna get windows in. I think those are coming in next week. And yeah, I don't know what after that, but I just wanted to show you guys because I haven't showed you. So that is the barn. Okay, so we are back at the apartment now, and I had a package at my house from Benefit. So this is the Benefit Brow Search Summer Camp Edition, and there's a ton of Benefit brow products in here. I was actually running out of this one. This is my favorite one. It's called Precisely My Brow. Everything is in my shade, and I just thought it was so sweet. So basically they're doing a brow search. So if you use the hashtag Benefit Brow Search, you can be entered to win a trip to New York. And they're gonna do a summer boot camp, and they're also going to pick a winner who wins $50,000. So I thought that was a nice surprise. So I got that from Benefit. And then, Teddy, are you ready for this? And then we got pizza. Because YOLO. It's St. Patty's Day and we needed some pizza, right?
It's tradition.
It's tradition. Let's see yours, babe. Open yours. Ooh, the buffalo. And I got the plain cheese. Because I'm a plain Jane type person. Alright, we're gonna eat this. Talk to you in a little bit. Look at how dirty I am. I really need to get it together. Good morning, guys. It is Sunday afternoon. I actually slept till 10 a.m., which is crazy for me because I usually wake up at 7 a.m. every day. I look a little crazy. I'm also bruised on my lips. I got my lips touched up on Thursday, and this is the first time that it's like bruised like this. It looks a little cray-cray. But today me and Scott are going to go to the gym. We're going to try to kick it back into gear, setting a goal of 30 days going to the gym consecutively. Let's see if we can do it. But I do want to do some skincare. I'm going to take a shower when I come back from the gym, but I do like to do skincare anyway. So I'm going to take my Lancome Renergy Lift. Love this stuff. Great SPF 30 in it. And I want to start taking better care of my skin for the summertime because I'm someone who likes to be tan all the time. But the sun is so damaging that I'm noticing more wrinkles. I'm noticing more like freckles and dark spots popping up on my skin, and I don't want that. So I have to be extra cautious this summertime. Also, I've been doing Instagram lives, and it's been so much fun. So if you're not following me on my Instagram, it's SadieKins21, and I've been doing some Instagram lives. The only thing is my mic, I deleted the app the other day because it was taking up so much gigabytes. So I read that if you deleted it and reinstalled it, it would free up some space. So that's what I did. But after I did that, my mic started being fuzzy, which is so annoying. So I downloaded Instagram on my iPad, so I think I'm gonna do some lives on my iPad with you guys. Hopefully that works. This is really bothering me. Also, I use my new beauty blender. It's a lavender one, and look at how dirty it looks. This is the first time I used it, was like 2 days ago, and it's already dirty. I'm also gonna do an eye cream real quick, and I'm gonna use my Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve eye cream, and then I'm going to change. We're going to go to the gym, and we're going to try and eat healthy too. So actually I need to put contacts in because I can't see ish right now. And the weather changed, so we're going to New York on Thursday, and it does not look like it's going to rain anymore. It keeps on changing and shifting, so I'm excited about that. Alright, I'm going to change and get ready for the gym, and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Hi guys, so I went to the gym, and me and Scott went to the grocery store after and got a bunch of things. Actually, it seems like there was a lot of money spent, but not that many things bought. So I'll show you guys what we got. Bananas. Don't touch, baby. We got carrots. And we got this dip. It is cucumber and garlic yogurt dip. I feel like that sounds really refreshing. We also got, oh, I like these drinks, the icy drinks, strawberry watermelon, water, butter. Let's see what's in this one. We got, oh, I really like this. This is like a Portuguese sweet roll with an egg in the middle. I really like that. Baby boy, nothing for you. We also got eggs in there. And these meals right here, this is the Adobe Power Bowl. This is so good. So I got the adobo chicken bowl. It is so good. Definitely check this out at your local grocery store because this is so yummy and it's actually healthy for you. You smell it? Does it smell good? You smell my hand? And then Scott got this. This is the Simply Steamers meatball marinara. And then we also got sponges to wash dishes, Q-tips, and dish soap. So that's all we got. Now we're gonna make lunch because I think it's like 3 o'clock and we haven't even eaten anything yet. Did we eat anything?
I had cereal this morning.
Yeah. Well.
How about you?
No.
You didn't eat?
No. I had like.
What the hell's the matter with you?
I don't know. Alright, so we're gonna make these and relax for a little bit. I'm gonna change into my sweatpants. I also got 2 yogurts I forgot to show you guys. Peanut Butter Dream, the Chobani Flips, and then Peanut Caramel Satisfaction. So good yummy. Morning. Hi, baby boy. Did you sleep good? You slept good? You're still sleepy? Oh, okay. Are we gonna clean together a little bit? Yeah, we are. Teddy's obsessed with socks, if you guys didn't know. He likes them better than his toys. He'll like only play with socks. Ready? Good boy. So it is Monday morning and I'm going to be doing some cleaning while I burn my new candle. This is the White Barn Vanilla Bourbon Peach. It smells so good. So I'm going to be doing this and picking up my apartment a little bit just because it's a little bit cluttered. I have some clutter here, there, and then all over there. So I want to get some things done before I have to work today. So just picking up and being with Puff and Ted. I'm actually going to make myself a piece of bread with peanut butter as well. Teddy, I'm not asking you anything. I'm so sorry. I know you think I'm going to, but I'm not, baby. I just need to make myself some breakfast before I go to work too. So that is the plan for this morning.
Shotgun in my car. Go to the river and find a spot, and we probably went a little too far, just a little too far. 'Cause I was gonna be your forever, and you were gonna be my wife. We didn't know any better, didn't have a clue about life.
Holding close.
Used to spend my nights out all alone. As a glass of brandy. And honey, I stay strong.
So cute.
On your love all the time. Oh, she named the babies.
What? No. No. Mister, can't do that.
You're laying next to you every night. Sounds like a damn good lie. You find the spot and I'll
good.
find the money. You be the pretty and I'll be the funny. You plant the flowers,
Good
I'll
boy.
plant the kisses.
She would never teach you, never see her with a different guy. Ever tell you different, then it's a lie. See, that's my damn bitch. See, that's my soldier. She keep that thing there. If anyone goes there, we're calm and collected. She keeps her composure, and she gon' ride for me until this thing over. We do drugs together. Fuck up clubs.
Okay, so I picked up the apartment a little bit. It's definitely less cluttered, and I don't know, it makes me feel happy when I do this in the morning. It just starts my day off right. But now I'm gonna have my breakfast. It's just a piece of wheat bread with peanut butter and half of banana. I'm gonna edit this vlog and then I'm gonna go to work. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you all next week in my New York vlog. We're going back.